Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This Caravan is featured in a red paint and is in the GT trim. In the interior of the car, we can find our tri-zone climate control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. On the outside, we have our aluminum rims, as well as our power open rear doors and hatch. Now into the front interior of the Dodge Grand Caravan. Moving left from our steering wheel, we can see we have our chrome door handle, our outside mirror controls, our windows with automatic front windows, our locks, as well as our third row window controls. Just below, storage. To the left side of our steering wheel, we have our light controls on the left and then our interior lighting on the right hand side, as well as our cluster gauge lighting. Moving up to the middle, we have our cluster gauge with a centered digital speedometer. On the left side of the steering wheel, all of our hands-free. On the right hand of the steering wheel, all of our cruise control settings. Moving to the middle, we have our radio and media settings with a USB and auxiliary on the right hand side. Just below that, our dual zone climate control, as well as our rear climate. We have our heated steering wheel in the bottom left, as well as our front heated seats. Moving down again, we have our 115 volt power, as well as our econ mode and our hazard lights. Our center console consists of a front storage with a 12 volts. We have two cup holders and then more storage farther back. Our seats are premium black leather package with red trim. Moving up above our rear view mirror, we have our lights as well as a sunglass holder. And then here we have our side back door opened, as well as our trunk open, and if we would like our windows on or off. Now starting at the front end of our GT, we can see our 17-inch aluminum wheels with Dodge center cap. Moving up, we have our paint match mirror, as well as our paint match door handles. In the back, we have our auto open door for either our keys or a button in the front cabin. Back towards the trunk, we can see once again our Dodge logo, our GT logo on the right side. We have our easy open tailgate through also our keys or a button. And once we're in there, we can see that we have a 60/40 folding third row and some extra storage behind that. Now into the rear of the Dodge Grand Caravan. We are starting in our passenger side rear door. At the front, we have our door open and close setting from the inside. In the back of the front seat, a magazine holder. Once again, have our leather with black leather and red trim. Up above, we have storage that opens with a press. Above that, we have our climate control for our back seats, some lights, and some additional storage. Moving back, we can see our third row. We have two cup holders on either side. We also have a 60/40 fold in the back. Once again, our black leather. And then we have our vents up on the ceiling. Thank you for watching this quick walk around of the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet soon.